Ay, look at this guys. Avocado. Nilagay ko siya ng banana fresh milk. Yeah, banana fresh milk. Tingnan mo. No, 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 no. Not for you. Hello guys. Good afternoon. Kain tayo ng avocado. Avocado with milk. Lamig. Ano yung nilagay ko? Fresh milk na banana flavor. Yan. So, nagiging avocado and banana flavor. Someone wants to eat. Hello, Milky. That's yours. Sarap. Parang ice cream kasi nilagay ko sa freezer. But for me, masarap pa siya sa ice cream kasi yung ice cream, ang tamis. Wala lang siyang sugar.